UK! Is this not why you were here?
So if you are interested in changing your water supply, the benefits of the hydration and drinkability of the water is what you want to see, and you can go upstairs to Paul, the managing director. He is here on site upstairs where you can talk to him.
Do you know what would go good with that water, George?
What's that?
Beautyathlete.co.uk. That fitness gymwear. Don't forget to see them there upstairs.
Make sure you give them a look. If you are seeing you have seen a few outfits today, as the host is the owner of that sportswear. Yeah, if you want to take your gelato, make sure you go upstairs and get it. And we have one half to come. One half to come. We have a few.
Medyo alanganin yung tawag na red, di ko alam bakit. Pero, we've been here before. Yung mga yan, kahit tamba kami. Tingnan mo yung score ha. Tingnan mo yung score. Score. Yan ang score, mamaya. Lamang na kami.
Oh, they're running the floor now. Run the defenses. Oh, corner. Corner 3.
Timeout.
Team Kentucky. Oh my God, I am sweating. What do we need to wear when we sweat? I think it's the beautyathlete.com. 2-on-1. Handoff to Kramer. Basket's good. Foul is the number 1, Paolo Bautista.
My winner.
Yes, yes, yes!
And he makes it.
I was going to say plus the 100 people.
Go, Daddy Dog!
Jello. Oh, in that move. With the bump on James Yap. Just to fade away. Goal for
Ball gets it to Yap. James Yap for 3.
Yay! Free throw! Huwag ka maingay pag nagsushoot. Dapat ano.
Oh, makes the first.
Charot. O, diba? Pito.
Converts all 3. The man with a million moves. James Yap.
Kyle with a quick pass to Jordan Lagasa.
Si Gako yan.
Resets to the top of the key. Around Mr. Employer. He chooses to shoot. Rolls now.
Oh, nice move. Look at him go. Look at him go. Gives it though to James Yap. Here he goes.
I-take home mo
12
na si
seconds
Jayo
of the shot
mamaya.
clock. Inside to Doug Kramer. Mr. Muscle. Oh, mid-range. No good. Oh, wait. Against Jello. Oh, nice move. Oh! For number 10, that's Rico.
All right. Jonas looks for the step up. Looks to get it back quick. Oh, nice hit out.
Oh, Jaden. Here we go. Recognize Ferrari makes the middle. Team amazing. 52, 55, 1 minute. Oh, what's happening here? Steal, here we go. Told you, Team Amazing's turning into team defense right now.
Baba, baba!
Run, run. One point game. Kyle. Jonas. Maxwell. Oh, good. 2 points.
Team Amazing.
Wow, George, what a game, man, what a game. Game though, that was quick. JJ, Helderman, uses the screen from Mr. Amazing, JJ for 3. Oh, good rebound. Good taps.
Jonas.
Look at Mr. Amazing go. Oh, that's a foul. Rebounded by Wright. Here he goes. Oh, here we go. James Yap, the man's moves, goes up, and no good. Gets his own rebound. He feeds it into Kirby. Oh my God, Kirby. Oh, post move, shimmy, 2 points. Hey, Mr. Amazing.
Back to
How'd you get
Kyle.
there?
Brings it up quickly. Turn around. Quick shot off by Jello. No good.
Hey, yeah, what a shot.
Magaling yan sa ganyan. Magaling yan sa ganyan, yung umahabol.
Looks to get it back. Isn't able to.
Yan! Labang ka! Oh, isa pa!
Guarded by Jonas
Isa pa!
Rugasa.
Isa
To
pa!
Kirby. Hesitates to shoot. Goes against Arnie LeRon. Spin move. Layup for 2.
Kyle picks it up for Team Captain. Gets it to Jonas. Jonas.
Ayan na.
It's tight game.
Guarded by Jonas. Looks for the screen. Doesn't take it. Mr. Important. Gets it to Kyle. Kyle. Long throw. Good.
Guarded by Jonas. By Kid Lightning. James Yap. James Yap. Kid Lightning. Oh, I can't see. Nice leg for 2 points. Kid Lightning.
For the win, for the win, for the win.
Hesitation move. Zion kicks out. Kid Lightning for 3.
Looks to get it back.
What a game! Change favor, by the way, George. Change favor. Throws it out. Jello. Guarded by Mr. Yap. Down low to Maxwell. Guarded by Doc Kramer. Look how strong he is. Throws it out. Oh! To Fitz. He's there. He's there. Timeout. Team captain. Timeout. Oh my God.
Team captain timeouts. The scores 65-69. Change favor to Team Amazing.
Oh my God. I wonder why they called him Kid Lightning. You see how fast he was going.
Oh my God, what a game they have given you today. Make sure you give up some noise to both teams. What a game we've had so far. Still 6 minutes and 58 seconds remaining.
Second team. And it's defense, please.
Intercepted. Jonas Rugasa, he knows how to do it. Mr. Important, quick pass off.
Inside 2. Kirby. Post move. Oh, spin move. That's a foul. Doug Kramer. Guarded by the rope. Oh, sidestep. Shot. Woo! For 2. Doug Kramer. Kid Lightning. Running the court for Team Amazing. Doug Kramer. Guarded by the rope. Doubles there. Nice pass. He will shoot. No good. Rebound. Doug Kramer for 2 points. With the ball in the post. Nice move. Spins. No good. Rebound. Mr. Amazing. Throws it off. Ball goes the same way. 1, 2, 3. No more push-ups.
In and out, missed bounce.
Oh, Mr. Amazing. water. Mr. Muscle.
Right, he shoots, isn't able to get it. Rebound.
Mr. Amazing with the rebound. I see him drop it low. He's talking to the crowd. Here we go.
Set, baby.
Here we go. Darius. Mid-range. Too strong. Go.
John Rigasa, fade away off the board, isn't able to get the finish. Medina, put it up, nothing good. Mr. Important, good defense.
James, yeah. Oh, Kid Lightning. Mr. Amazing getting the crowd hyped over this side of the James, yeah. Oh, Lewis. John Regassa. Mr. Kenny Lightning gets it to JJ. To James, yeah, inside to Kirby, guarded by Medina. Here we go, close through, goes up, and that's a foul. Now,
Here's the
8
score.
penalties.
And the 2 free throws.
Got some fans up there, Kirby.
Go, kuya. You can do it.
That's one's no good.
Isa lang, isa lang. Just one, just one.
This one's live. This one is live.
Take your time, take your time.
Missing the second, picked up by Jonas.
Jonas brings it up to Team Cappy. 30 seconds remaining. Rigasa able to look for the space, corner 3.
21 seconds. Tap, tap, tap. And they will foul.
Nakabawi! Shout out! Kumar. Ay, taga doon sila rito. Yung mami niya. Dito. Yung mami niya. Taga sama. Yung...
That's one for good.
Oh, good. Rebound, Medina.
Ano ka JJ?
10 seconds. Laurent throws it out. Again, quick shot off. Medina, nothing cool. And that's the end of the game.
What a game.
That's the end of the
What a
game.
game, ladies and gentlemen.
The score 77-74 in favor of Team Amazing. Please make some noise for your team. What a show they have put on for you today.
Coach, where you at? There you are. There you are. Okay.
And the winner of the day is you guys. Thank you for coming down. What an amazing game we've had. What an amazing games we've had all day.
And
Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo? Part
Our dream next year, sino gusto may party next year?
make some noise. Please come over to the table and receive your medals. Oh, take it. We're doing a giveaway. Who's it going to? Who's it going to? Who is it? Who is it? Oh, Mr. Amazing's got a jersey. Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it? Hard 3, hard 3, hard 3, hard 3, hard 3.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
Kasi ang score, 1-1. Technically, wala pa rin si champion sa aming dalawa ng team na to. Gusto nyo ba kami bumalik next year? so much, UK! You are all amazing! Sabay-sabay muna tayo. Amazing on 3. 1, 2, 3! We love you all, mga kababayan natin. Thank you.
Amazing. We just want to say thank you. To the All-Stars. You guys did a good game, man.
Grabe.
We appreciate you guys.
Ang galing ni Rico magpa-hype.
You guys gave us a hell of a battle in the last year.
We made it, Mama!
Next year we can do it again. Thanks everyone for coming out, showing us love. We appreciate you guys.
Ha?
God bless.
Hindi kita iniwan kanina. Hindi kita iniwan.
Thank you so much.
Sinugod
Team
ko.
Country,
Sinugod.
Team Amazing, Mr. Paul Artadi, where are you? Mr. Paul Artadi, Kid Lightning, number 16.
Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa mainit na pagtanggap sa amin. See you guys next year!
Yes!
Part 3 daw?
Part 3!
Part 3.
Salamat at mag-ingat kayo dito sa
Babalik si James Yap. Part 3.
yung field brief naman, maraming salamat. And syempre sa Kampi, maraming salamat sa talagang sobrang mainit na pagtanggap sa amin dito sa team PBA Moto Club. So maraming salamat ulit sa inyo lahat.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Team Amazing. Mga kababayan, thank you.
Salamat Team Amazing, Paul Artadi, MVP! Presented by President Ray Rodriguez, our All-Star Team MVP, number 16, Kid Lightning, Paul Artadi.
Grabe!
Congratulations to Team Amazing. Well done to Team Campi. No doubt they'll be back. With regards to the meet and greet, so please keep your yellow tags on. Also, if Team
MBB! 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 Go, go, go! Meron pang ano. Go, go, go. Exit, exit.
again another shout out.
Madam! Madam! Mamaya! Mamaya! Mamaya!
Ligaw.
Ligo!
Hoy, teka lang, mag-gym muna ako. Jay! Mag-gym muna ako, nabitin ako eh. MVP! MVP! Ano ba tayo? Ano ba yan? Hoy, sa munang ano, James Yap, you're my James Yap. Ano? Tigas ng balikan ng bumalik. Another successful event, my friend. Yes, sir. Hindi lang ako. Tinahasan mo si Kirby sa free throw niya?
I got 2 pressure rebounds.
Nabawi mo naman. At least nabawi.
Kaya kinuha ko eh.
At least nabawi mo yung...
Hindi ko na siya. Grabe ka yung rebound kanina.
Kasi kung natalo, kasalanan niya. Kaya hindi na shoot ang free throw. Kuya Curbs, kaya yung rebound niya, lampas ring eh. Lampas ring yung rebound niya kasi kailangan niya bumawi. Good job guys. Good job. Rai, Sai, good job. Yay, good job. Hey, MVP, good job. Kuya Curbs, good job. Hey, Gako, good job. And Mr. James Yap, good job. Kuya Bong, first shoot of the game. Yun ang pinaka-crucial.
Pare, ngayon lang. Sa history ng Moto Club, nanalo tayo win.
The Gamer! Okay. Mga amazing, nakita nyo, tinambakan kami. Pero lumabas yung fighting spirit nila. Galing. Bumalik yung PBA days, ha?
Lumaki ba ng 20?
20 ano? 22. 23.
Ganda nung ginawa ko. Labas sa board.
Ay, alam nyo, proud na proud ako sa inyo lahat. Alam mo yung mga ganyan tambak, yung mga iba, nararatel na eh. Lumabas yung fighting spirit. Yung mga PBA days na mga galawan nyo lumabas ng second half. Di ba? Yung mga napapressure. Napapressure tayo, no? Pinagalitan ako ni Gako eh. First time ko nakita nagalit yung Gako sa exhibition game. Ha? So, relax. Let's go! Pero yung style ni Gako, nagpapag-trouble para hindi na maglaro. See you sa Madrid. Hindi nga, no? Paul. Suot ka ng brief. Yan. Hop! Go. Yan. Masisilip. Wala sumisilip. Magaling, Hindi. Yan ang gusto ng mga tao. Hindi, yan ang gusto. Kuya, yan ang gusto ng mga viewers natin. Pag si JJ ginaganyan ko, maraming views. Para sa iyo lang yun, papanoorin mo. Isusum ba? Up. Nakabihis na guys, mga amazing. Pasensya na po, walang sumilip.
Ray, yung laro mo bagay.
Very successful event. And also thank you for coming. I am Paul Zuzaman, the Managing Director and owner of Bridal Care. Recognizes that we will also be committed to be major sponsors for the PBA Motor Club next year. And congratulations, mga idol. Iniidolo ko to mga kababayan since grade school ako. So I am so blessed to see them here today. So I just want to talk about Bridal Care.
Grabe ma'am, classic to Classic po. Idol niyo po. Grabe May ano po patch. Ano sabi mo?
Never say die. Hinebra, die-hard fan here from the UK. DJ Brand.
Say hi. Makikita nyo na po yung sarili sa YouTube. Amazing. Thank you po for supporting PBA Motor Club.
Always do.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you.
Hala! Wow! Team! Grabe ka guys.
Another one.
Oh, JJ! Oh. Wow! Hi. Again. Good job. Here. Dito, kay James Shop. Brian. Doon.
Hey, hello.
Again, please make your way out.
Good choice of hat. That is the best hat. What number?
286.
286 of 300. That's in the world. Only 300 in the world. Are you happy? All right. How is that your hat? How is that your hat, my friend?
Thank you so much.
Thank you for supporting. Picture? You want us a picture? You want a picture? Let's go, let's have a picture. Ano po yung sabi nyo?
Lagi po kami nanonood ng vlogs nyo.
Thank you. May natututunan po ba kayo?
Meron.
Okay. First of all, I apologize. Do not touch the Stonehenge, ha?
Yes, I saw that one.
Do not touch it. Lesson learned, ha? Tama ba? Ha? Alam mo na ngayon.
Do not touch.
Kasi gusto mo sumunod sa akin, di ba?
Actually, alam ko yun before you did that. Kasi
Ba't di mo
sinabi na tayo
pinigilan?
Wala, gusto mo eh.
Gusto mo yung experience.
Binigay mo pa sa akin yung camera, kukunin mo.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Ganda. Yes, of course. Thank you, ma'am. Hi.
Next year, ha?
Yes, po. James Shop. JJ. Oy, idol. Amazing. Thank you. Good game.
Thank you.
Sir, ikaw, nakafollow ko na po ba sa akin? Salamat, Sir.
Boy, pero mo na mga isang pagka ma-cover na lasal yan, ha? Ha? Doon mo makikita na yung Consi Games is for the people talaga.
Yes, brother.
Hindi naghireklamo. Ang nasign na ng jersey, 1,000 na na tao.
1,000 na.
Hindi pa siya pagod, nakangiti pa rin siya. Di ba? Tingnan mo. Oo, naka-smile pa rin.
Ganyan yan.
Hindi pa rin pagod.
Parang si Jaworski yan.
Oh, parang Jaworski at Alvin Patrimonio dati. Dami pa, oh, dami pa. Dami pa. Oh, buklat mo. Patingin. Gago!
Ganda
Ang pangit kasi ang pinito parang gago.
Grabe ka naman, Rix.
Kaya ka nababas.
Kaya, ano yung kwento kay Makmak?
Ito kanulubong niya ako.
Oo.
Sabi niya, bro, jersey. Ito binigyan ako ng XL. Sabi ko, idol.
So hindi mo size?
Hindi ko size.
But happy ka?
Siyempre.
Siyempre, Macardona natin yun.
Animo eh, di ba?
Animo Lasal. Gakonatics, amazing. Good choice of jersey, sir. Good choice. Hardworking yan, hardworking. Uy, James siya? What will you say to me if I say I give you food? Very good. High five. See that? Lesson learned for the kids, huh?
Gold. Ito pagka hindi ka
Wow! Classic. Papirma mo yan.
Sarap.
Ba't galit ka dito? Pati na mukha mo, tigaya mo nga yung mukha na to.
memorabilia po.
Lalagay namin sa memorabilia. Game worn. Ayan, kasi sa hap.
Game more, nakuha mo. Wow! Kung mo lalaban, sir, amoy bag ano to? Amoy bagtol. Amoy bagtol. Nabili ni sir, number 288 in the world.
May certificate.
Out of 300.
Madam, be careful.
Boy,
Nasa lista ka ba, sir?
mo dyan. Ani mo
Nasa
Lasal
lista
yan.
ka?
Alam mo,
Sa'yo ba
pangarap
to?
mo maging Lasal dati, di ba
That's
to?
why. Sa'yo to?
Pangarap mo yan, maging Lasal dati, di ba?
Buti nga may bumili ah.
May bumili.
Porque sa'yo yung bestseller, ha?
Oo eh.
Girl, baby girl, have some donut. Get some donut. Get some donut. Open. Okay, get some donut. Get one. Get one.
Can you come tomorrow in the hotel?
Okay, see you, sir. See you po. Amazing. Get one, baby girl. Come on, get some donut. Don't be shy. What flavor do you want? Chocolate or strawberry? No. Don't want? Okay, no problem. You don't like sweets, huh? Welcome, high five.
Jay,
Damn, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng run.
Jay, umalis na ako nung first half. Umalis na ako.
Alam mo, kahit tambakan kami, habulin namin yun.
Umalis na ako.
Hindi pwedeng hindi.
Nawalan na ako ng gana manood eh.
Ganun talaga basketball.
Sabi ko, dun muna ako sa taas, baka malas ako. Aba, nung hindi na ako nanonood, ayan na.
Oo, malas ka.
Malaban na. Sabi ko,
Mr. MVP,
How was your experience?
how the experience, sir? How to be a
Parang
MVP?
ginanahan ka.
Opportunity to na sumama kami sa Moto Club, Brad eh. Diba? So hindi tayo papahiya. Ayaw natin mapahiya.
oo, hindi dapat.
So lumalabas yung dugong Hinebra, pre.
May NSD?
NSD, halos sampalin ko na yung kalaban. Inis ako.
Smartphone lang tadi, point guard.
Sampalin sa inis eh.
Kaya, Kirby.
Pinipressure mo kayo. Ayan na. Ayaw nila magdala ng bola. Ayaw na niya babae. Nagugul pa ako. Ayan na. Magaling si Paul sa mga ganyan.
Alam mo, ang galing mong mang-asar talaga, no?
Press tayong dalawa, tol.
Pre, yung hawak mo na. Hawak dito, hawak doon. Hindi siya makapag-dribble.
Hawak talaga.
Ang lupit mo, Artadi. Pinahanga mo ako.
Ready pa rin, no?
Artadi, pinahanga mo ako. Pinahanga mo ako.
Wala naman, wala. Ito, hilang, hit.
Ikaw, pinahanga ka ba? Pinahanga ka ba ng Artadi? Ha?
Bro, I used to see that every day in practice. Ganyan, kaya...
Sinong inaasar niya? Sinong ininis?
Kaya nga, pagdating sa game, madali para sa akin kasi every day ganyan ginagawa sa akin.
High pressure JJ.
Malaking tulong yung ginagawa mo sa practice.
Alam mo yung turo ni Coach Ryan Gregorio?
Ano?
Hey! Kiss! Kiss
Kiss defense.
Curl, no?
Kaya Curbs, kiss defense. Pagka lumamang yung kalaban, pag sinabi ng kiss defense, lalamang na tayo nun. Hindi na sila makakashoot.
Ito pong isang kay Paul na never siya negative, always positive siya, always.
Idol ko to eh. Positive.
The attitude is amazing. Kaya nga naging konsyal ka na 3 straight eh. Dahil
Alam mo,
ang sarap mong kasama eh.
kanina pre, may lumapit sa akin, binigyan akong $10.
No way.
Bonus yan.
Ito pala bonus ka lang.
Ay, sino yun? May favoritism yun ah.
Sabi, Konsi, para sa'yo. Ano to? Uy, salamat. 10
Hindi ka wala tumanggi. Nag-take yung agad, hindi ka tumanggi.
Hindi na, iniwan ko na.
Ay,
Ayos, yeah.
grabe, may nagbigay ng ano?
Ano to? 700? Yeah?
700 yan.
700 pesos.
700. So mga amazing, nag-enjoy po kami sa UK. The people, the food,
Save ba yung
the ambience. May
Nilag
copy
ka ba?
ako, may
Nag-live ka?
copy ako. Hindi, mga highlights lang.
Bawal.
Hindi, pero may...
Kasi yung mga yun eh.
Rain or shine
Rain or shine,
versus Pure Foods. Quarter finals
Pare,
natin.
Sol Mercado, ang bilis. Ang lakas.
Hindi mahabol.
Kalmutin ko nga. Hindi ako nagupit ng kuko. Nagreklamo siya sa referee, hininto yung laro. Binigyan ako nail cutter, naggupit ako na. Hindi, totoo yun, no?
Naalala ko yun.
Di ba? Hininto.
Naalala ko yun.
Anong pakialam niyo sa kuko? Ayoko maggupit, di ba?
Sino nanalo? Sino nanalo?
Sila yata eh.
Talo ba tayo, no?
Hindi, yung game na yun. Kasi galing ni Sol
Oh,
Mercado.
pero champion tayo that time.
Oo, champion tayo.
Grabe yung connection nyo ni James Sham, andun pa rin, no? Talagang pinuntahan mo, hinahanap mo talaga, hinahanap mo talaga siya.
Kailan?
Kanina,
Oh, syempre.
may play na ano, nagkindatan lang kayo.
Pindat lang yan. Para alam ko na yung galaw niya eh. Di ba? Ayun.
Kahit nakapikit,
Pero yung
nakikita mo
famous
na.
na backdoor, sabi ko sa kanyang timeout, hinihingal. Pre, kaya mo pa ba mag-backdoor? Ayoko na. Ikaw yung bagal na niya eh. Kay Cyrus nag-connect eh.
Hindi, pinag-usapan yun ni
Sabi
Cyrus
namin
yun.
crucial eh. Pare, backdoor James, kaya mo backdoor. Ayoko yun.
Ayaw na
Dati
daw.
pag sinabi mo.
Akin na yan, Paul. Ako yung pasama mo. Ang ganda nun, libre ka nun eh, Jay, di ba? Libre ka sa backdoor namin eh. Kanina nag-work kami kay Aranya, di ba? Ang ganda. Libre. Siya crucial eh, sabi ko. Ate
Paul
na.
yun eh.
Ayaw niya eh.
Tawa ko kay Dog
Pagod
kanina.
na eh.
Sabi ko, Dog. Sabi ko, poste mo yung yung tao mo. Sabi niya, palagi nandun sa side mo eh.
Eto,
Sabi ko, hindi.
may kwento ako.
Hindi, doon na.
Kanina, first quarter, mga second quarter na. Ayoko. Sabi, Kuya Curbs, ano, sab? Pagod ka na? Sabi, hindi, umupo ka dyan. Ako pala dito.
Ayos, ano?
One more minute. Ayaw lumabas, kahit pagod na. Alam mo yung takbo niya na. Pero dito pa ako. Diba? Pero lumabas yung laro niya ng mga first few attempts eh, alangan.
After dalawang takbo, ayoko na. Sige, pasok.
Nagawa ka lang mga anak ko.
Bakit?
Sa takbo mo.
Oo nga. Ito nga, puro text, puro message ako ng mga anak ko.
Bakit napanood?
Sabi na kayo ni Esther. Babe. Sabi kayo ni Esther. Oh. Ano, dyan ka na? Dito na ako. Bisa tayo. Ha?
Ayan, ako makakabagal. Jay, dito ko Jay.
Hi, Leroy!
Tayo sa ano.
Hoy, sino yung sasabi na mukha mo daw yung Tebes? Yung... May nag-comment? 16 lang daw.
Kaya hindi dito.
Hindi, meron pa yun. Big Ben. Nice to see you, Big Ben. Guys, I want you to meet Big Ben.
Big Ben Chan.